Taman Rusa merupakan tempat wisata rekomendasi buat kalian nih. Wisata ini berada di Gampong Lam Tanjong, Kecamatan Sibre, Kabupaten Aceh Besar. Lokasi wisata ini dapat ditempuh sekitar 25 menit dari kota Banda Aceh.
If there's a way for me to not do what I have done for so long, don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand mysterious ways of dealing with a couple of down days. It's like you're stealing what I had for